In this video, I'll be revealing a product that I scaled to over $300,000 using just image ads on my Shopify dropshipping store. A bunch of people tried to run this product. I don't know how successful they were. I don't think anyone was able to get the product to this scale. And I do have a fun fact about this product. I sold out the factory in a couple of weeks. The factory was not prepared for this amount of sales. Their listing was kind of just on AliExpress, and they would take whatever orders they got, and that was it. And I took that product and started running ads towards it and obviously scaled it. And they were not prepared for that whatsoever. And it took about a month just to get inventory back so I could start shipping those orders out again. Now, this is just one of the products that I had on my general store. And contrary to what everyone on YouTube says, yes, general stores do still work. One of the advantages of having a general store is that you can have all sorts of items on it, and items just like this, all running at the same exact time, all in one store. Anyway, enough of the intro. Here is the product. This is like a Japanese style men's linen shirt. And not only is this the product, but this is the exact image that has generated over 300K in revenue. Now you might be wondering, why did this product work so well? There are several things we pay attention to in order to increase our odds of finding winners just like this one. So first, let me start with the cost. The cost on this product was around $19, maybe a little less, which allowed us to sell this button-down shirt for $40. A $40 button-down shirt is a good deal. The next thing I want to talk about here is the amount of colors that we have. This shirt has 4 different colors. And you'll find probably like 20-30% or so of your orders, you'll find people buying multiples of this. So they'll buy 2, 3, 4 shirts all in one order. And that's gonna boost your average order value. And last but not least, this shirt goes up to a 3XL in US sizing. And as you may already know, more sizing options means more potential customers. So in summary, the product image looks great. The product pops, there are plenty of colors, plenty of sizes, and the price is right. This meets all the criteria that we look for, and that's exactly why I tested it. Now, something that I wanted to go over with you that we didn't discuss yet, there are 2 factors that are at play here directly contributed to the revenue that this product made. So the first thing is that I charge shipping. And I know you've heard probably from every YouTuber by now that you have to offer free shipping. It's a must. I'm here to tell you that that is not true at all. There are plenty of big brands out there, massive brands that charge shipping. So why wouldn't you? Now the question is, will you lose customers if you charge shipping? Maybe, sometimes, but we find that if you lower the product cost on the front end, meaning your product page, and then you just charge shipping at checkout, you will get a lot more sales than if you started at a higher price on your product page and didn't charge any shipping. Now, the second revenue contributing factor here would be the post-purchase upsell. We like to use ReConvert. If you've never heard of ReConvert, I'll just drop a link in the description. You can just install it and get the monster conversion funnel. It's one of their default funnels, and it works great. What it does is it offers the same exact product for 15% off, and then if they say no, it'll offer them 30% off. And this again will increase your average order value. Now, before I let you go, I want to show you guys some numbers. What I did was I went into the Shopify reports, I selected just this one product, and then got rid of the SKUs and colors and all that and all the variants so that it has just this product on one line. You'll also see the amount of orders that we have here. So you'll see it's 5,186 orders for the shirt. Now you might be wondering, why does it say $276,000 in sales when I'm talking about over 300? And that's shipping for you. Each one of these orders had an average of an $8 shipping cost. 5,186 orders times $8 is $41,000 in just shipping. Now, do you see what I was talking about with the whole free shipping thing? Now, 276K in rev plus our 41K in shipping comes out to $317,000. I do have another YouTube video that goes more in depth on how to find products like this and do product research if that's something that you're interested in. I'll try to link it somewhere here for easy access. Now, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment right on this YouTube video. I'll get to every single one of you. If there's some content that you want me to cover, feel free to let me know in the comments as well. As always, guys, it's been a pleasure. My name is Alex Gelfand, and I'll see you in the next one.